In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the Shopify admin dashboard. Whether you're setting up your store for the very first time, checking your daily sales, managing products, or you simply want a quick refresher on how to get back to the main control area of Shopify, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. The admin dashboard is where all the important actions happen, so understanding how to access it quickly can save you time and make store management much easier. Let's jump right in and get you comfortable with it. First, open your web browser and go to the Shopify login page. Once you're there, enter your email address and password carefully, then click the Login button. Make sure to follow along so you don't miss any details. After logging in successfully, you'll usually land directly on the Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage products, track orders, review analytics, customize your store, and handle everything related to your business. Think of it as the command center for your entire Shopify store. Next, if you ever find yourself in another area of Shopify, such as the theme editor or website customization mode, don't worry at all. You might notice the layout looks different and focuses more on design elements instead of management tools. To get back to your admin dashboard, look at the top left corner of your screen for a button usually labeled Exit, Back, or Back to Shopify. Clicking this button will instantly take you out of editing mode and return you to the main admin dashboard. It's quick, simple, and very useful to remember. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Always keep your login details secure but easily accessible, especially if you manage your store daily. Bookmark the Shopify login page in your browser for faster access. Doing this beforehand ensures you can switch between editing your store and managing orders without any interruptions or confusion. Once you've clicked the exit button, you should be back in the main admin section, ready to handle orders, check customer activity, and review financial reports. After that, you can confidently move between different areas of Shopify whenever needed. It's also a great idea to spend some time exploring the admin dashboard so you become familiar with where everything is located. Taking this extra step helps you work faster, avoid mistakes, and run your store more efficiently as it grows. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to access and navigate your Shopify admin dashboard easily and efficiently, even if you're brand new to Shopify. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial made things clear and stress-free for you. If this video helped you get paid faster or cleared up any confusion, feel free to share it with others who might be setting up their Shopify store too. Why not make someone's day a little easier? Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.